I'd like to take a few minutes to introduce you to OASIS 04. Now, anyone looking at the screen that has taken a little bit of time to introduce themselves to the dashboard or tiles concept in the current OASIS system will probably realize that this looks very similar. The only difference is this is my mobile phone and I'm accessing this across the internet. Now, once the data, in this case, I've set up all my tiles back in the office, and when the data synchronizes to the O4 cloud servers, I'm able to use my mobile phone to touch into any tile. In this case, it's the bid board tile. As I scroll down here, I find a job that I'm interested in, and we go much further. I can touch into that job and actually see what we call the sales view of the job. Now we say the sales view because it doesn't contain all the phases and all the details that the inside sales staff has to work with. We just summarize the project to some header information, the current bill of material. In other words, everything else that's closed out won't be there. And when it comes to the bill of material, there's basically the sell price. Now, if you have security, you can actually go to the inside sales view and see all the other details. But that's not for today. For now, let me go back to the home screen. Notice what I'm doing here is I can actually go into each section in OASIS just like before. The only difference is instead of the application bar here being pinned to the side of the screen, we put it in a menu. We had to do that because the screens are really small. In this case, it's a mobile phone. But actually, I want to go to orders more than the home screen. So I'll touch into there. And again, we have very much the same thing as what we have on the desktop version of OASIS. In this case, the search bar does exactly the same thing it does and has done for years. The only difference is, again, it's on a mobile phone. But for right now, all I really would like to do is touch it and look for an order that begins with AA and hit go. And what it will find is all the orders beginning with AA. Now I'm interested in the top one, show a few details here. And again, I have the header information. I do have the items, but in this case, it's a little more information or a little different information. And that is, we have the bill of material, we have the invoice information, shipping information, and it's all laid out there so I can access it from anywhere in the world, again, with the proper security. If I go into attachments, I have everything I had in the project side as well, and what I have back in the office, except now I can touch into the PDF that was sent to the manufacturer, or if the shipping information was sent to the customer, I could look at that as well. Additionally, I can go into and upload an item into the system by simply touching that, maybe taking a picture with my mobile phone, and then or pull one from my library and send that back. That will synchronize through the cloud back down to the group back in the office and help them out with hopefully more information about the job. That's all I have for today on OASIS 04. Look for more videos, more information coming out as we are able to produce it and respond to folks out there. But if you have any questions, just contact our team back in the office, and we'll be glad to get you more information about OASIS 04.